Welcome you all to my channel. I am A. Dhanasekar from Mettur. Dear students, today we will discuss about Test for Yourself question part 1 in the chapter Redox Reaction. If you want to see my previous video, just click the icon shown right side top corner of the screen. The oxidation state of nitrogen in nitric acid. Step 1, we write the correct structure of nitric acid. That is H single bond O, single bond N, double bond O, coordinate bond O. This is the structure for nitric acid. And fix the oxidation number. Hydrogen have +1, oxygen -2, this double bonded oxygen also -2, and coordinate bond oxygen having -2. In next step, we draw the table. On filling this table like this element, oxidation number of the elements and total value. There are 3 types of atoms, so hydrogen into 1 because 1 nitrogen will be present and 3 oxygens present, so oxygen into 3, and the subjected atom nitrogen also present in one time. Oxidation state of the hydrogen is +1 into 1 and oxygen has -2 into 3 and nitrogen, this is subjected atom, so it has X. The total value of the oxidation number is +1 for hydrogen, -6 for oxygen, and nitrogen has X. On simplifying this table, +1 -6 plus X is equal to 0, -5 plus X is equal to 0, X is equal to +5. In nitric acid, nitrogen will be present in +5. We move to question number 2. H2SO5, that is peroxy monosulfuric acid. The correct structure of this compound, H single bond O, single bond S, single bond O, single bond O, single bond H, and sulfur having 2 double bonded oxygen. In step 2, to put the oxidation number of individual element. Hydrogen has +1, oxygen has -2, this oxygen also -2, and top oxygen -2, and this is the peroxide linkage, so this have -1, and last hydrogen has a +1. Now we draw the table. We have 4 types of atoms, that is first one hydrogen, second one oxygen which is present in peroxide form, and third type is normal oxygen. And fourth type has sulfur. Now the number of atoms, hydrogen which is present in 2 times, peroxyoxygen having 2 times, and normal oxygen present in 3 times, and sulfur which is present in 1 time. Oxidation numbers, hydrogen has +1 into 2, peroxyoxygens have -1 into 2 times, and normal oxygen has -2 into 3 times, and sulfur is a subjected atom, so it has X into 1 time. On the total, +2 -2 -2 into 3 -6 X is equal to 0. On simplifying these values, +2 -2 -6 plus X is equal to 0. Here +2 and -2 are cancelled, so we have X minus 6 is equal to 0. This implies X is equal to +6. So in H2SO5, sulfur present in +6 state. Thank you.